Hey guys, Hiker Boy 16 at the beginning of an 11-mile hike. We're going to be hitting 4 different peaks. We are in Frazier Park in Kern County, and we're just all getting set right now. And should be a lot of fun and a bit of a challenge. It's 11 miles total approximately, with an elevation gain of 4,000 feet. So should be good. Alright, so we're starting the hike, and it's pretty cool outside, and especially with the wind, it gets downright cold. I don't have gloves, but I'm wishing for them now. But as you can see, people are bundled up, and yeah, so we're just starting the first peak, which I believe is Mount Pinus, and yeah, so here we go. I worked there for over a year now.
Do you like it?
I do. I really do.
So, what did you do before that?
I was the final ascent for the first peak, Mount Pinus. That wind sucks though. That's cold. Mount Pinus conquered.
I can't hear you.
Alright, so Mount Pinus is 8,846 feet. We started off at 8,300 feet, and we gained a little over 500 feet in elevation gain on the first peak. The wind is strong. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the wind, but it's very, very strong wind. It keeps blowing me off of the trail. I'm gonna suck to fight this coming back. Whoa! So, approaching the peak right now. Oh crap! Woo, that's right. Sawmill Peak. The wind is brutal. About near blew me down the mountain.
Are you gonna get the other side?
The wind chill is definitely there.
Holding on for dear life in the wind.
Almost dropped the camera.
Actually, this thing blocks the wind quite nicely.
Yeah, it does.
Beautiful day.
So Sawmill Peak is about 800 or 8,825 feet. On to Grouse Peak. Grouse Peak.
Don't knock it over.
We are on our way to a final peak, and I don't know how to pronounce the name, but yeah, we're headed there. Not sure how far we have to go, but it's beautiful scenery, heavenly smell, and it's just great. It's just great. The final ascent at the last peak, and it's a steep one. That wind feels good. Now. What a view.
Oh my god, is my butt gonna be in the picture?
Yep,
Fine.
that's happening. Thank you.
With my staff all over it?
Way down. So it is 3:05 in the afternoon, and we're hiking back, and it's gotten warmer. The wind is still there, but it's not nearly as strong or cold. But it's this is a good hike. I like it. Ironically, the hard part of the hike is coming back, because well, getting to the peaks was easy. That was the easy part. But each successive peak was a little bit lower than the last. Therefore, we have a lot more uphill on the way back. So, but yeah, 11 miles. Not bad. Not bad at all. And it's beautiful. Blue sky. Cool day. According to a guy who works up here that was at the last peak, he said that they'd been getting hot days all week. This was their first cool day. So the timing of this hike was perfect. It's been like 60 degrees. And it just feels wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. I just want to take this time to thank everybody who's watching my videos. And if you like the hiking videos, well, check out KernValleyHiking.com. That's the group that I hike with the most. And they have some pretty awesome hikes. And I have planned for a little bit later this year, Half Dome in Whitney. So should be pretty awesome.